Welcome to the in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter Ampere because we should get this application now. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes, I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 30.8 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, device voltage, Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.